what's up everybody? Welcome to this channel. My name is Marissa, and if you are new to the channel, welcome. What I talk about on this channel is all things online marketing. I throw in a little bit of self-growth topics and also travel. In this video, I'll be talking about multiple streams of income and a couple of key ideas on if you're thinking about getting started and creating your own multiple streams of income. These tips and ideas are going to help you out greatly, so stay tuned for all this entire video to make sure that you get the most out of it. So within maybe the next 30, 60, 90 days, you can hit the ground running and go off with one of these ideas and get started. All right, so stay tuned. Alright, welcome back to this video, you guys. Again, my name is Marissa Romero. Welcome to the channel. If you're returning, thank you so much for the support. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for more topics just like this one. Okay, so chances are, if you've made it to this video, maybe perhaps you still have, a 9-to-5 job and you're looking to add another revenue stream or whatever the case may be. I know that when I still had my 9-to-5 job as an engineer, I was actually working my job, going to school and getting my master's and trying to balance other things in my life. And with that, like taking a part-time income, trying to pay for my tuition, it was pretty much impossible. I was barely like meeting the payments to pay my bills every month, and I was pretty much just over, meeting the minimum. So, most of the time, a lot of us are making, depending on one income stream. That might be the case for you, maybe not. Maybe you have a couple and you're looking to add more, but for most of society, we are dependent and reliant on one income stream. And for obvious reasons, that's not good, because if that income stream goes down, nothing else is coming in. So of course, there's different types of multiple streams of income. There's active, where you're actively working to make that income, and also passive, where it doesn't necessarily mean you have to work to get it. It comes in residually, which means if you're not working on a specific task, or if you're out with your, at the beach or with your friends or whatever it is, the income can still come in, whether it's the middle of the night, day, morning, evening, whatever it is. And so the reason I wanted to talk about multiple streams of income is because all of my income that I get is not tied to just one specific thing. Now I have multiple streams of income after me being a business owner and a YouTuber for a while. It's been pretty cool. I've been able to diversify my income streams, and I feel a lot more comfortable, because if one goes away, I'm able to have more than one income stream coming in at any given moment. And so you guys may be thinking, well, are you making money from your YouTube channel? And no, I don't want to do YouTube. And yes, the answer is yes. I make a decent amount of money from my YouTube channel. The income that I get from ad revenue, the Google ads that play on my channel, it's enough money to pay all my fixed costs, my rent, my bills, all that. So I'm grateful for that. But I'm not reliant on that YouTube money to survive. Yes, I make a lot more money from my YouTube channel in other ways, and I'll talk about that coming right up. And I use YouTube in other ways to make much more money than the money that I get from my ad revenue. And I also use it to market my brand, to grow my brand, to market the services and products that I offer. And that's the number one way I utilize YouTube. To get started, I have here in my notes, there's two number one ways I advise people to get started with making or adding additional revenue streams, and that is freelancing and affiliate marketing. They are both extremely important in my opinion, and two of the top ways to create multiple streams of income, because with freelancing you have a high income skill, for example, where you get paid for example, maybe $50 to $100 to do a task that only takes you an hour or something like that. So that's really powerful, but you are working actively for the money. With affiliate marketing, it's very slow in the beginning, and sometimes you won't see sales for 30 to 60 to 90 days. And when you do start to see sales, it's not that much, but I promise you, the reward within the next year after putting in the upfront work is massive. And affiliate marketing accounts for a good chunk of my salary and how I'm able to make money with my online businesses and making money online. So let's talk about freelancing first. Let's say what I would recommend is whatever skill you have. Maybe it's graphic design, maybe it's videography, maybe it's, anything from going to somebody's house, babysitting. I know that's not worth $50 to $100 an hour, but it adds up. If maybe you do lawn work or yard work for somebody else, any type of skill, a skill that brings in the maximum amount of dollars per hour, if you do that 1 hour per day for a month, that money is going to add up. Like, even if you do something for an hour, an extra hour outside of your 9-to-5 job, which is, let's say it's $40 an hour. So that's 7 hours a week times 40, that adds up tremendously by the end of the month. And so that could be your first added revenue stream. And especially if you have a digital skill, as I had mentioned before, like design or videography or something, it's more easier now than ever to get started with online, because there's websites like Fiverr.com, freelancer.com, upwork.com, where you can go and start a profile, and people hire people all the time. And if you need something done, of course, you can hire somebody else. But it's more easier than ever to do the freelancing side of it. So it's easier than ever right now in this day and age to start freelancing on the side. So with affiliate marketing, what I recommend people to do, and I have like a million videos on just affiliate marketing alone. I'll leave a lot of them in the links in the description so you can check them out later. But with affiliate marketing, what I recommend people to do to get started, if you don't want to do a YouTube channel or you don't want to put your links on Instagram, is figure out what products or services or things that you use that you can recommend to people, just to make your first commission. Because if you can recommend to people an item to buy, and you give them your link, maybe you're always talking about a subscription-based program that you love, and you convince a friend or a neighbor or 2 or 3 to buy this from you. That's going to give you the motivation to be like, hey, you know what? I can do this affiliate marketing thing. Because a lot of people now think of affiliate marketing as a scam, because it has turned into this scammy idea, because the people that think that making money online is a scam also think perhaps that affiliate marketing is a scam, and it's not. It's one of the oldest traditional ways of marketing. It started, we can see an example of it in retail, for example. Like if you've worked at a department store where you get a commission for every item that you sell. Maybe you get like a 6 to 8% commission for referring somebody to buy a product. That is referral marketing. That is affiliate marketing. So we see it all the time, every day. Same thing with car salesmen. That is referral marketing. They are receiving a commission. They don't own the product. They don't produce the product. They are the middleman between linking people to something that they were already going to buy. And yes, the way I got started with affiliate marketing was through YouTube. What I did was I made a bunch of product reviews and how-to videos on a specific product. And I got a lot of traffic, because at that time it was a new product. So people were looking on how to do it, and they would find my videos on YouTube, and I would give them valuable information, and then they would click the link and get started with the program I was promoting. And that's how I was able to jumpstart my affiliate marketing business. And you could do the exact same thing. That's what I tell people if they're interested and in getting started with promoting on a blog or YouTube, is promote products and do product reviews, do how-to tutorials, because those are going to get the most traffic on Google and YouTube search engines. And so I guess my point is, making an extra $1,000 to $2,000 a month with just freelancing and affiliate marketing is not a scam. It's very doable. If you're willing to put in the extra hour or 2 a day to learning it, it is extremely doable. And if we think about what all bosses do in companies, the reason why they have more financial freedom, the reason why they're smarter with their money and making more money, is because they have a combination of both active and passive income. So they are leveraging other people's time to do a job for a less amount per hour, and they charge a lot more for their services per hour. And that is why they are the boss or a CEO of a company, because they know how to leverage other people's skill set for a lot less. Some other notable ways to create multiple streams of income if you don't go the affiliate marketing or freelancer route. The next thing I would recommend is create a product for your client or customer. And if you're not a business owner, just create a product that is in need. So let's say you're an expert with, cooking or guitar lessons or whatever it is. It's something that you're good at and people always ask you how to do. Turn that into a product, turn it into an ebook, turn it into a digital course. There's plenty of platforms out there, softwares that can host courses where you create videos and tutorials, or with an ebook you can create step-by-step PDFs on how to do something and create it into a product, and then create another one, and then create another one. It just, if you can see how these digital products can be powerful, like for example, I have a course that I sell for $200. It's more than 45 videos on YouTube and affiliate marketing. And my next thing I would probably create is an Instagram course on how to grow your following and brand yourself and monetize Instagram. So you can see how anything can be turned into a digital product. And it's not limited to the online world. I mean, my sister, for example, is getting her PhD in microbiology, and she wants to create a product around helping people understand the mind and brain and how it interacts with the digestive gut and how that can improve people's health. I mean, I don't know about that. I would definitely buy that product because it's something that has to do with my health. That is one thing, an example of something that she's working on to create another income stream for herself this year. The other thing I would recommend is, if you can, use your assets. So if you have a basement or an extra room that you can put on Airbnb, or if you have a car that you don't use that much, let's say maybe you telework from home, there's a website where you can have your personal car rented out to people. I forgot, but in this video I will put the link right here because I can't think of it right now. But if you have an asset you can use and turn that into a passive income where you could rent it out or something like that, I would highly recommend using your assets. And the next idea I would recommend to you is partner up with somebody that is interested in creating another source of revenue. For example, let's say you're somebody that has a high-paying income skill. So let's say you partner with somebody that also, let's say for example, guitar. Let's say you start a program, or you want to start a program that teaches people how to play guitar. You want to start a studio, or maybe it's an online program that you want to start. But the problem is the marketing, right? And let's say you have a partner or a friend or somebody who has an audience and that has the traffic that can, drive people to this product that you're wanting to create. So that is an example of a way you can partner up with somebody that maybe complements what you have. So maybe they have the traffic and the marketing skills and you have the expertise in this specific area or market. All right, everybody, I hope this video was helpful for you and gave you an idea on how you can create multiple streams of income for yourself. If you guys are interested in the affiliate marketing side of growing another stream of income, I do highly recommend a program that it's one program, and within it you can market a whole bunch of products, so it creates multiple streams for you. It's easy, beginner friendly, anyone can do it. It's step by step. It does take work, of course, like anything else, but it's the #1 recommended program that I recommend. So if you guys are interested, that will be in the first link below if you're wanting to learn more about it. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. My name's Marissa. I will see you on the next video. Take care.